I descended through the Earth's atmosphere, my spacecraft gently touching down on its soil. Anxious anticipation pulsed through me as I stepped onto this unfamiliar world, my large, luminous eyes scanning the surroundings with a mix of curiosity and trepidation. The air was thick and heavy, carrying scents and energies that were unlike anything I had encountered before. My purpose was clear. I was an explorer, sent from my home planet to understand the cosmos beyond our borders. Earth had always been a mystery to my people, and now I stood on its surface, on the cusp of a monumental encounter with the enigmatic beings known as humans. As I ventured away from my spacecraft, the strange texture of Earth's soil underfoot sent a shiver through me. It crunched and shifted, a stark contrast to the soft, porous ground of my own world. The alien landscape was unlike anything I had ever seen. Towering trees swayed in the breeze, and vibrant flora covered the ground in a riot of colors. The distant sounds that reached my ears were a cacophony of chirping creatures, rustling leaves, and the occasional rumble of vehicles. The world around me was alive with activity, a symphony of unfamiliar sounds that triggered a sense of unease within me. I moved cautiously through the forest, my senses on high alert. The creatures that scurried through the underbrush were unlike any I had encountered in my travels. Four-legged beings with fur of various shades darted around, their movements swift and unpredictable. Were they predators or prey? I couldn't be certain. As I continued my exploration, my attention was drawn to a body of water, a vast expanse that shimmered beneath the sun's rays. Beneath the surface, sleek shapes darted and glided, their movements fluid and graceful. I marveled at these aquatic beings, their presence a testament to the diversity of life on Earth. The structures that dotted the landscape were unlike anything I'd encountered in my journeys. Angular and imposing, they stood in stark contrast to the natural world around them. Were these human constructions symbols of their dominance over the planet, or were they monuments to their own ambition and ingenuity? I approached one of these structures, my heart pounding with uncertainty. The surface was hard and cold beneath my touch, a stark departure from the warm, organic textures of my home. The structure seemed to reach skyward, its height a testament to human aspirations that extended beyond the boundaries of the Earth. I watched as humans moved about, engaging in various activities. They wore a multitude of garments, each one a riot of colors and patterns. Their movements were purposeful, yet alien to me, gestures and expressions that held layers of meaning I struggled to decipher. The humans seemed to communicate through a complex dance of gestures and vocalizations. I observed them closely, attempting to discern patterns and connections. Their interactions were layered with nuance, an intricate tapestry of emotions and intentions that were often beyond my comprehension. As the night deepened, the humans' focus turned to the heavens above, a vast expanse of stars that stretched beyond the limits of their perception. Their gazes were filled with wonder and curiosity, expressions that mirrored my own as I stood on their planet. I watched as they pointed to the stars, their voices filled with a mixture of awe and reverence. The universe was a canvas of mystery and possibility, a realm beyond their reach yet deeply ingrained in their collective consciousness. In the midst of their contemplation, my eyes fell upon a solitary figure, a human sitting apart from the group. There was an air of solitude around them, a vulnerability that struck a chord within me. I wondered about their thoughts, their fears, and their aspirations. Were they pondering the vastness of the cosmos as I often did? With each passing moment, I couldn't help but question the humans' intentions. Their ability to form connections was undeniable, yet I couldn't escape the nagging feeling of doubt. Were they driven by genuine curiosity and camaraderie, or did their actions conceal motivations beyond my understanding? As I prepared to depart from Earth, a sense of relief washed over me. The encounter had left me with more questions than answers, a haunting uncertainty that lingered in my thoughts. The humans were a puzzle, an enigma of intentions and emotions that I may never fully comprehend. As I lifted off from Earth's surface, I cast a final gaze at the planet below. The humans continued their lives, unaware of the alien presence that had observed them from the shadows. The universe was vast and unfathomable, and the encounter with the humans had left me with a profound sense of humility and a heightened awareness of the complexities of life and existence.